Hello, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to Documented Travels, the channel that takes you on a journey to explore the diverse and fascinating destinations around the world. Today, we're diving into the heart of West Africa, exploring the oil-rich and culturally vibrant Rivers State in Nigeria. Buckle up as we uncover the hidden gems and unique aspects of this incredible region. Rivers State, located in the southern part of Nigeria, holds a significant role in the country's economy, contributing a whopping 45% to Nigeria's wealth through its crude oil production. This coastal state is not only known for its economic prowess but also boasts a rich cultural heritage and breathtaking landscapes. Let's begin our journey by delving into the backbone of Rivers State, its crude oil production. The vast oil reserves have played a crucial role in shaping the state's economic landscape. But Rivers State is more than just oil, it's a melting pot of diverse cultures and traditions. Join us as we immerse ourselves in the vibrant festivals, dances, and rituals that showcase the rich tapestry of the indigenous people. From the Ogoni to the Ikwer, each community has a unique story to tell. Our adventure continues as we arrive in Port Harcourt, often referred to as the Garden City of Nigeria. This bustling metropolis is not only an economic hub but also a haven of natural beauty. Picture lush greenery, well-maintained parks, and a serene environment. Port Harcourt truly lives up to its nickname. Now, let's explore some of the iconic landmarks that make Port Harcourt a must-visit destination. From the bustling waterfront of Bonny River to the striking architecture of the Port Harcourt City Mall, there's no shortage of captivating sights. We'll take you on a visual journey through the city's bustling streets and serene waterfronts, and also explore key cities playing host to oil production. No travel experience is complete without tasting the local flavors. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we indulge in the mouth-watering delicacies that Rivers State has to offer. From traditional dishes to modern culinary creations, there's something for every food lover in Port Harcourt. As our journey through Rivers State comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed this immersive exploration of Nigeria's oil-rich gem. From the economic powerhouse of crude oil production to the vibrant culture and picturesque landscapes, Rivers State has left an indelible mark on us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more documented travels. This has been Documented Travels, where every adventure is a story worth sharing. Stay tuned for more exciting destinations from around the globe. Until next time, happy exploring!